A very good day to all of you. In this video, we will see guidelines regarding implementation of revised timetable for class 1 to 8 for the academic year 2025-26. The revised timetable will be implemented in all the Kendriya Vidyalayas for classes 1 to 8. This revised timetable has been prepared on the recommendations of NCFFS 2022 and NCFSE 2023, making certain changes as per requirements. First of all, we will see the changes in the distribution of periods for foundational stage. There is an increase of 4 periods in each subject: Hindi, English and Maths. There is an introduction of 4 periods for the gardening. There is an increase of 2 periods in arts. The periods for the physical education and library will remain the same as 4 and 2. There is an introduction of creating learning activities. It was earlier known as co-curricular activities. There will be 2 periods for creative learning activities. No separate periods are allotted for environmental studies, work education and computer literacy. There is a total of 48 periods per week for the foundational stage as well. Earlier, Saturday was celebrated as Fun Day. For 6 periods of arts, it will include visual arts 4 periods and performing arts 2 periods as mentioned in NCFSE 2023. Creative learning activities, which were earlier known as CCA, will include various enrichment activities, club activities, cultural activities, debates, extempo, scout and guide activities, etc. Now we will see the distribution of periods for classes 3rd to 5th preparatory stage. Now there is a uniformity of the number of periods proposed in class 3 to 5th. 7 periods for each subject, Hindi and English. There will be 8 periods for maths, the world around us. There is a provision of 10 periods per week. 5 periods are there for arts, 5 periods are there for physical education, 2 periods are there for library. Digital literacy, which was previously known as computer literacy, there is a provision of 2 periods for class 3rd to 5th. Creative learning activities will be there for 2 periods. No separate periods are allotted for environmental studies and work education. Total periods will be 48 per week. In this stage, arts will include 3 periods for visual arts and there will be 2 periods for performing arts. Physical education will include various games and sports activities for 3 periods along with yoga activities in 2 periods as mentioned in NCERT textbooks in this stage. Digital literacy, earlier known as computer literacy, will include the awareness to computer education, use of interactive boards along with other digital awareness appropriate to age or class reflecting to demands of 21st century skills. Creative learning activities, earlier known as CCA, will include various enrichment activities. Now we will see the distribution of periods for class 6 to 8 middle stage. Number of periods are uniform for all the classes 6 to 8. 5 periods are there for Hindi as well as for English. 3 periods are allotted to Sanskrit. 6 periods are there for maths, science and social science. 4 periods are allotted for arts and physical education. 3 periods are allotted to vocational education. 2 periods are there for library. Creative learning activities are also there for 2 periods. No periods are allotted for work education. Digital literacy is there for 2 periods. Arts will include the visual arts for 2 periods, music, dance and movements and theatre for 2 periods as mentioned in the NCERT textbooks for this stage. Physical education will include various games and sports activities for 2 periods along with yoga activities for 2 periods as mentioned in NCERT textbooks for this stage. Vocational education will be there for 3 periods and it will include curricular transactions or activities as mentioned in the NCERT textbooks. Skill modules and digital literacy will also be a part of vocational education. Periods of vocational education and skill modules will be taken by TGT work experience. Digital literacy will be taken by PGT-CS or computer instructor. Creative learning activities, which were earlier known as CCA, will include various enrichment activities. Mass PT or yoga to be arranged as part of morning assembly. Additionally, specific PT exercises can be incorporated for a few minutes as warm-up activities during physical education and well-being periods, tailored to the requirements. Fun day activities have been subsumed into the teaching learning process as a component of experiential learning like gardening, arts and craft, music, dance, role-playing, storytelling, and other hands-on activities. Some major changes will be there for the timetable. To maintain the uniformity in all the classes, there will be a snacks break for 10 minutes after second period and there will be a recess for 20 minutes after the fourth period, and it will be applicable to all the classes including class 9 to 12th as well. Periods allocated for digital literacy will be taken by PGT-CS or computer instructor as per availability. 2 periods are there for creative learning activities and this will be allotted to all the cadre of teachers as per the existing practices. Various club activities, various competitions and best practices adopted by Kendriya Vidyalayas to be conducted in such a manner where all the students of all classes are to be engaged. Please note that revised timetable is illustrative in nature. Necessary changes can be made by the principals at their end according to the need and available resources. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.